to introduce myself, because I don't know everybody here today. My name is Lisa Marie. I'm the in-house nutritionist. I'm also an essential oiler. Cracks me up. Anyhow, I've been using essential oils for personal use, myself and my family, for, I don't know, almost 10 years. It wasn't until probably 3 or 4 years ago when I got my Young Living membership. I had been buying different brands and good brands, but then comparing them all and doing my research, I found that Young Living is truly pure. I love what the company stands for. I love that they have charities that they funnel through their foundation, where they reforest the globe. I mean, they're really good stewards of the land, the animals, the people. So I love that. And then I started DIYing products. So tonight's going to be really fun, just in time for spring cleaning. We're going to make 3 different products today. We're going to make an all-purpose cleaner, which I use all the time, and I have different dilutions of this, like really diluted for my mirrors, medium to clean surfaces, and then really heavy when I want to like disinfect, like maybe the toilet or something like that. And they don't leave any residues, by the way. And then this is a lot of fun. You've heard of bath bombs, right?
Yeah.
So these are toilet cleaning bombs.
Oh.
It's kind of stuck because it's been sitting here for a while. But basically, we're going to make them in ice trays. And so, if somebody drops a bomb, then you drop a bomb, right? So freshen it up, deodorize.
Terrence would have liked that one.
Oh, Karen.
And then we're gonna make a cleaning scrub, which is, it has like a pasty consistency that you just like apply with like a sponge or a cloth, and you scrub it, let it sit, and wow, it's really great on sinks, because I have an old house that's a fixer and I haven't been able to remodel my kitchen, so I have one of those porcelain sinks that are like yellow instead of white and stained, and so I used it on there, and wow, it really works, and it's really good for the tub as well. Oh. It's on your list here. All-purpose cleaner. So we're going to fill up our glass spray bottles. We're going to do 1 can. So I'm going to get this started. You're going to
Put a capful in the bottle?
Yeah. So try to be careful. And then we have oils on the center of the table that. So you can choose the scent you want to put in. This is already, so it's Thief's cleaner. So I mean, if you add these, it will just be more of a Thief scent. But there's like lemon, there's purification, there's pine, citrus fresh. I love citrus fresh. The oil is because it's infused with the essential oil. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, right? Antiviral.
Yeah.
So that's why it works so good on cold flu.
Gotcha.
Can I get a napkin, please?
Absolutely.
Right, that's
And so
right.
maybe the pollen.
Well, yeah, the pollen.
It's probably the pollen.
And the other thing, if people are reacting to oils that are going to diffuse and such, it's usually people that have multiple allergies. So people with autoimmune issues and stuff, and yeah. It's because your body is, it's when you're in that kind of state, your body, your immune system is overactive, and the oils are trying to balance you out.
I have horrible allergies.
So you'll notice in your starter kit, there's like white bottles that say Vitality at the top, and then at the bottom there's like more colored, classic colored ones.
Yeah, I did notice.
So the white Vitality, if it comes in a Vitality, it's ingestible. Okay, so just because it comes in like frankincense, for instance, is ingestible, but in your kit, it's in a classic label. So what you want to do is you just go online to Young Living and you just look it up, and if that oil comes in a Vitality, it's totally safe because it's the same exact oil in either bottle. Young Living sells, when you're a member, you have access to this cleaning kit. And this is what it comes with. It comes with a super sexy bucket. How often do you see stainless steel?
That is very
It
pretty.
looks like an ice bucket.
And a soft cloth that actually has real cotton in it. Like, how often do you see that anymore, right? A bottle of the Thieves Household Cleaner that's on the table right there by Robert that I'm using, that comes in the kit. A really nice glass spray bottle.
Wow.
Here's for your mirrors. Which you don't find either.
You get this carrier
Citrus fresh.
with these 5 oils. Okay,
Wow.
yeah, you get citrus fresh, lemon, pine, Thief, and purification.
Ooh.
So, so it's
You
Yeah.
have to order that.
Yeah, I
And
want to get that.
this recipe book, and guess what? All the recipes we've made came from this.
That's cool.
So this comes with the box.
Oh, I'm gonna buy that
Yes.
then.
$80 as a, when you're a member.